creatures are kind-hearted spirits. It awakened. The place closest to the celestial palace, a mountain of blades, and swim across the sea of fire, the lost, innocent souls of humankind. Listening to the immortals chanting scriptures for thousands of years. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jie, a part-time watercolor artist. I like to paint Tang Dynasty monochromatic watercolor portraits. But today we're not doing that. We will paint something different using this Gansai Tambi watercolor set from Topdrawer. Thank you Topdrawer for gifting me these watercolor sets. Topdrawer designs and curates well-made tools for creative people. Everything from shoes and bags, stationery, paints, and more. The paints I'm using are Gansai Tambi watercolor sets. The colors are vibrant, unique, and full of nostalgic charm. These sets have inspired me to bring the mythical creatures living in my imagination to life. If you would like to try the paints or pick up anything else from the store, you can use my brand affiliate code for 20% off your purchase. Now, let me tell you the story of two mythical creatures. In traditional Chinese folklore, it is believed that everything has a spirit. Animals, plants, stones, rivers, mountains, even chairs and tables. If they happen to exist in a place of great auspicious energy and cultivate diligently for thousands of years, they can transform into spirits, into immortals, and even gods and goddesses. From them, they could ride the clouds and mist, traveling freely between the heavens and the human world. The first creature in this painting, her name is Lán Xīn, which means Orchid Heart. She was born just this way. A long time ago, a tiny orchid bloomed in the clouds above Mount Kunlun, the legendary mountain said to be where the world ends. Bathed in the divine energy of Kunlun, it cultivated for centuries in silence, until one day it awakened. It became a mythical creature, blessed with a special gift: the ability to discover and safeguard the lost, innocent souls of humankind. Each night, as darkness falls, Lán Xīn rises on clouds and mist. She relies on her big eyes to look for people who have lost their souls, those who drift through life like empty shells. She slips into their dreams, laying her tendril-like petals softly across their chests. The lost souls follow her touch, flow back into the empty hearts, filling the hollow space with a warm, gentle light. The second mythical creature is called Yè Tóng, meaning leaf pupil. Its true form is a single leaf, an ordinary, unremarkable leaf. Thousands of years ago, it happened to fall at the very top of Mount Kunlun, the place closest to the celestial palace atop the clouds, the home of the immortals. It lies there very quietly, listening to the immortals chanting scriptures for thousands of years. Over time, it gained consciousness, becoming a mythical creature with the power to see the truth. To find it, you must climb the mountain of blades and swim across the sea of fire. In the end, only the bravest soul will be able to see it floating in the clouds. All you need to do is hold it in your hands, and you will witness the true nature of all things. You will see that some people are not truly human, but monsters disguised in human form. You will see that the scenery before you is not real, but an illusion created by ancient Chinese sorcery. You will also see whether a soul is good or evil, and you will discover the secret path to the celestial palace above the clouds. Countless mythical creatures have taken form among all things in human world. Some of these creatures despise the human world, seeing it as a land of suffering and believing human emotions to be fragile. They seek either to destroy the human world or to rule over it. But these two creatures are kind-hearted spirits. They believe that the imperfection of human nature is what makes it real, and that the brevity of human life is what makes time so precious. They want to save the hearts confused by evil creatures and protect the peace of the human world. Thank you for taking the time to listen to their story. I'll see you next time.